Hi dear students, my name is Jyoti Ganesh, faculty at INSIGHTSIAS. I am here to introduce you to a new initiative that INSIGHTS has come up with. That is called Secure Personal Guidance Program. What is that? As you all know, INSIGHTSIAS has been pioneer in bringing innovative and untraditional solutions to the UPSC preparation, right from the grassroots level till the interview levels. One of those programs is Secure Initiative. Most of you would already know what is Secure Initiative. Secure Initiative involves analyzing the current affairs with the mains perspective and devising questions and allowing you to answer those questions in our portal. And one of us give the feedback so that you can improve your answer rating, right? Now we are adding one more layer to the Secure Initiative. We are calling it Secure Personal Guidance Program. What is that? Through SPG Program, we are allowing you to write any answer to any question, preferably question from Secure Initiative. And you can come to us, our evaluator, who have gained experience of more than 6 years in the evaluation, and many of them have even attended interviews. They will give you expert feedback and quality analysis so that you can improve your chances of getting the maximum marks in your GS papers. So how does it work? You are allowed to submit minimum 2 to maximum 10 questions per day, and you don't have limits of number of questions when it comes to essay and ethics. And we guarantee you to give you time-bound feedback within 2 days. Not only evaluation, there will be personalized faculty to guide you to improve your chance of getting the maximum marks. And this initiative is available both in the offline as well as online mode. And this initiative is coming up with 2 forums. One is flexible, second is non-flexible. What is flexible? Flexible option provides you to submit your answers at the time that is convenient to you. And under the non-flexible option, you have to submit your answers on a daily basis. So all this is made available to the aspirants who are really desiring to become the IAS officers with a nominal fee. We have structured the course in 3 packages. You can take the package for a month or for 2 months or for 3 months. The prices differ accordingly. For 1 month, if you are going for offline option, the price is 3,000 rupees. And for online option, the price is 2,000 rupees. And for 2 months, the offline option is available for 4,000 rupees, and for online, the fee is 3,000 rupees. And for 3 months, the offline option is available for 6,000 rupees and online for 4,000 rupees. The fee is nominal and the returns are qualitative and enriching. You can know more about the program in our Insights on India website. You can also subscribe to the program as early as possible. Since the seats are limited, you should hurry up. Hope you all get benefit from this new initiative introduced by the INSIGHTSIAS for a targeted, well-structured and disciplined mains answer writing preparation to achieve the best possible success in the less possible time. Thank you very much.